Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your computer which has a slow problem or which keeps on freezing or lagging. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is you need to do a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and go with Task Manager. Once you have open your task manager, expand it first, and after that, go with the processes which you can see here at the left side of your screen. Here under the processes, proceed to applications and look for Windows Explorer. So if you don't find your Windows Explorer here at the apps, proceed to the background processes, or you can use this tool search bar which is to search for Windows Explorer here. And the moment you've typed it or searched it, this Windows Explorer will appear. Here, just simply do a right click and go with restart. Okay? So once you have restarted your Windows Explorer, simply close this window and let's proceed to the second step, which is at the bottom search bar, search for Edit Power Plan. Once you've typed it, the best match will appear. Click on Open to continue. Okay, so here in the power plan settings, proceed to change advanced power settings. Click on it. And in this power options window, look for PCI Express. Okay, select it or mark it. And once done, click this add icon and click this link state power management and click this add icon once again and change the on battery into off as well as this plugged in off. Once done, click on apply and then OK. Okay. So once you're done with the control panel settings, simply close this window and let's proceed to the third step, which is at the bottom search bar, search for settings. Once you've typed it, proceed to open. And here you need to go for apps. And then once you have opened your apps options, proceed to the very list of it, which is the startup. Go for it to open the startup. Okay. So the moment you've opened it, you will be redirected here at the list of application present in your startup. Now here's the catch. You need to disable those application here in your startup that you no longer needed or not that necessary in your Windows or computer. So in my case, I have some or many applications here, a list of applications here that I have disabled, which I actually not need in my computer. So in your case, if you had found especially unfamiliar or spammy accounts in your startup, just enable it, okay? So identify those application once again that you no longer needed, okay? Just simply click this to turn it on and then there you go. Okay? So don't put a heavy load in your startup because that is one of the factor that why your computer keeps on lagging or freezing. Okay? So once you're done with the startup, close this window and here at the bottom search bar, search for File Explorer. Okay, so this is the very important step. So click on Open to continue. So once you have successfully opened your File Explorer, proceed to this PC. Select this, do a right click, and go with Properties. Okay, so here in the properties window, go with tools and then click on check, error checking and go with scan drive. Okay, so just have to wait until the scanning will be done. Okay, so this will take some time. Just have to wait until this is done. Okay, so we're almost there. Actually, about 2 minutes remaining. Just have to wait. Okay, so once it says here your drive was successfully scanned, Windows successfully scanned the drive, no errors were found. Simply close this window and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Those are the 4 steps on how to fix your computer which keeps on freezing or lagging. Hopefully, those steps helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.